This is a double head with CNC router that an Indian customer came to the factory to inspect. Double efficiency. The dual engraving heads work synchronously, significantly improving production efficiency and easily handling large volume orders. Independent control. Each engraving head can be independently programmed and operated to flexibly meet diverse engraving needs. High-precision components. Equipped with high-precision spindles and feed systems to ensure that every engraving detail is accurate. Fine craftsmanship. It can achieve complex relief, hollow carving, inlaid carving, and other processes, and the engraving effect is fine and beautiful.